Hi, my name is Mike Sanchez. I'm a regional manager for Prime Source Building Products. We are the distributor for a product that you buy at all your locations called Rockwool Insulation. Brought a little sample of it for you. Rockwool is a unique product that it's made actually out of rock, hence the word rock wool. Second part of the ingredients is mineral fiber wool. So they heat it all down, mesh it all together, cool it all down, and they formulate a bundle of insulation that is cut to size. It's also unique in a couple of cases where the insulation is water repellent, so water will not be absorbed in the product. If it happens to get in, all you have to do is pull it out, lay it out in the hot sun. The sun will dry it back out. You can throw it back in your attic or your floor or wherever you put it in the first place. Comes in just a few sizes. But another unique characteristic that they have is that you can stack insulation to gain higher R values, so that as a retailer, you don't have to carry 6 or 8 or 10 SKUs. You can make combinations of R15 and R23 to come up with an R38. You could take 2 R19s and so on and so forth. So this is called safe and sound. This is sound deadening insulation. So like if you have kids that when they're growing up and their TVs are too loud, you put this between the interior walls, you can't hear anything they're talking about. If you come outside later into my booth, I have a small little box that's made, and I'll put this loud chirping thing in the box, put the lid on it, you won't hear it. It's pretty crazy. It's called Safe and Sound. We have one tool in the whole line of category. It's called a Rockwool knife, and you basically cut the insulation like you're cutting a piece of bread. You saw through it like that, where you've got possibly electrical boxes that have to be insulated around. So a lot of features and benefits. They've been around for a long time. They came from Europe, like most of these places did, and will continue to grow with more and more products. They also make a Comfort Board 80, which is a residential board that's used around the exterior part of your house when you're building, under floors. It helps cut back on when things catch fire to one structure to the next. It arcs over. So this insulation prevents it. So you have two buildings that are side by side. If you can install Comfort Board in between, it slows down the flame from jumping into the second structure and catching that one on fire. Other than that, some things we do is all of the packaging is color coded. So from a distance, you can tell if the guy has the wrong material he's loading up in his truck. So keep that in mind when you're talking to your salespeople and your yard people. They have 3 colors, that's all they have: blue, green, and mustard. It is a Class A insulation used for fire ratings. But we do stock all of our Rockwool at all of the Hayward yards. It's been very successful. Rockwool has a whole nother segment of their business in the commercial side. It seems to be the nature of business now, is we're going to have additional fires coming and going, and something like what's probably going to happen here today with Hayward, and get exposed to all the different features and benefits of products that will help cut the fire. A fire's pretty tough. They want to go in whatever direction they want to, and this is a situation where you have something that's going to stop it from going in different directions. It literally runs out of gas, and flames go away.